grinding to a German techno beat. Shots all around. I'm drafting you a text. I'm typing sorry, I'm sleepy. Another night. Sad face OX. Vodka flows into any mixer you can find. Mini skirts shift. I see the lift of her ass. My pocket vibrates. I won't look. It's you again. And you're not here. She makes a pass. Screw the phone, screw you and all your stupid rules. Are you alone? Are you dancing by yourself? 'Cause we're out here, alive here. We're dancing here. Chugging from the bottom shelf. This is how it feels to fall in love. This is how it feels to fall. The weakness, the sadness, the sirens, the madness, the pounding in your chest. Like you're racing the street in an ambulance. I'm watching you. I'm watching me. I'm watching us standing across a crowded room, like some montage, or like someone's fucking dream. And I see you in her face, in every face. Is that your scheme? I'm watching you. I'm watching me. I'm watching us. I'm so sick of parties. I'm so sick of being drunk. I hold my breath. Lips brush against my ear, but I don't feel them or know them. I just know you. I know you, and you're not here yet. Might be the Smirnoff or all the natty light. Yes, it is weak, but there's nothing left to lose. So call me right now, and I'll cave. I'll answer you. Then blame the booze. But we're still drinking. Life is passing us by, we're drinking last week's alcohol. proof the world runs to chaos. I go outside, and that's when I see you. And you say, don't talk, I'm sorry, I'm scared of this. Well, I'm scared too. This is how it feels to fall in love. This is how it feels to fall. The weakness, the sadness, the sirens, the madness, the pounding in your chest, like you're racing the street in an ambulance.